In this video today, I'm walking you through the Agent Studio template library. This will allow you to build AI agents faster using reusable templates. So the template library is a workspace inside the AI Agent Studio that stores reusable agent templates. Each template is a snapshot of an agent's logic, which includes prompts, tools, variables, and settings that can be installed with one click. So instead of you rebuilding common flows from scratch, teams select a template, personalize it, and then deploy it. This helps you to provide more value faster because you can deploy those AI agents to all your sub-accounts. So here's some prerequisites. You need to be an agency admin in order to do this. And you need to be on the Agency Pro plan, the 497 plan, to upload and publish templates. If you are an admin on the 97 or 297 plan, you can browse and install shared templates, but you cannot publish them. So let me show you how you can scale up your deliverability of AI agents. So first you want to make sure you're logged into your agency account, then click on Settings bottom left, go to the Company tab here, scroll down until you see Template Library for Clients and toggle this on. Then we want to switch to a sub-account and click on AI Agents on the left. Then we select Agent Studio at the top, create agent, and then browse templates. Here we have the existing template library showing up. You can filter by your own templates, shared with you, or your favorites. You can hover over a template and mark it as a favorite by clicking the heart. On the left, you have different browsing categories, more to come. In this case, we have learning already installed. And also more tags to come. You can also control these tags in the agency settings. Here's also a search bar and you can search via keywords. So let's say we want to search for YouTube and see what's available when it comes to YouTube. Just put YouTube in a search bar and it filters through all the templates and gives you what's available for YouTube. Then you can also filter by most recent or most popular. And also you can change the list view to a grid view. Once you've decided which agent you want to go for, you can hover over the agent and choose the template, which means it will be installed directly into the AI Agent Studio, or you can click preview. If you click preview, you just get a quick preview of the actual agent. You can click on the information icon right here. You get more information. If you like what you see, just click choose template and it is adding the template to the AI Agent Studio. Then the AI Agent Studio will automatically open up and you can edit your agent. However, let's go back for one step. Let's hit Save Changes. If it didn't open up for some reason, you can always find it under AI Agents on the left, Agent Studio, and then here you can see the list of agents that have been installed. So here it is, YouTube to blog. Let's select it and let's go back into the builder. And right here, you can adjust notes, prompts, tools, variables, as well as connections. Please note that these changes will only occur to your AI agent, to the copy of the template. It will not change the actual template. Now let's go back to the agent list for a second. Now, if you are on the 497 plan, you can share agents with all sub-accounts. So in order to do so, click the three dots on the right and select Upload to Template Library. And in the next step, you will be prompted to complete the template details, such as name, category, cover, preview, images, prerequisites, tags, about, as well as a description. Then you can publish it so other users can install it. The installation of these templates will not cost you any AI credits. Credits are only used when the agents start running. So this is how you save hours, if not days, of initial build time with one-click installs. Well, I hope you like this feature and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist. I will see you there.